is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Curry Tech videos. Today we'll be putting together the Xbox One that I just tore down. Okay guys, so as we started off before, I'm putting the front panel on. See this front panel? It goes right here into this port. Right here. And just kinda, sorry about the light, I'm trying my best right now. And there should be 3 screws you put back in. One, let me get this in the light. Kinda should look like this. Oh, there you go. Kinda like this. Should be 2, 3. Should be star shaped on the head. Okay, now I'm just gonna put these in. Let me watch. Kinda just keep screwing that together. Bam, got one in. And you put another one right here in this hole. That's what she said. Don't do these jokes at school. They are bad. You will probably get beaten up for it. And bam, 3 screws in. Now we're gonna put the Blu-ray player. Blu-ray player is pretty big. You can probably tell where to put it. The cables are here. And they should go kind of like in these holes, as you can see on the motherboard. That hole right there. Right there, see the hole, kind of like the hole for it? Should be other ones on the motherboard, and then you just line it up. Should fit in easily. Okay, so I got the, kind of got the Blu-ray player in. So now I gotta kind of slot it in. Easy breezy. Okay, just slide it in. Have to find the hole. Bam. And just like that, it should kind of slot in. Then connect your cables, guys. Very important. Connect the cables that came with it. Make sure they're nice tight. Put the SATA connector in. Bam. Should hear a nice click. Just like that. Cable should be in, ready to go. Okay, next thing, getting this SSD. I'll do another video on this, how I got the SSD in, but you'll see that it works. Like, it's no joke, it works. Bam, just like that. Slots in very nice, and put your connectors in. And it should look something like this. All the cables in, ready to go. Okay, now start getting the insides together. Getting a shot. Get a shot of this. Get this going. Okay. Now we need the front to cover this. The silver panel. If you guys remember, it should look like this. Kind of like this. And just kind of line it up on the Xbox. Should just slide in nice and easy. Now the next part of this is actually getting the cable that we disconnected in. So get the cable from the silver piece and connect it in. And you should hear a click. And you should see something like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully I can get some kind of better light, maybe in the future, but there should be a cable right there. Ah, you guys can see that, damn it. Well, anyway, on with the video. I'm gonna cover the Xbox. Everything should feel pretty much slotted in, ready to go. Just kind of like this. And then from them on, just add the Wi-Fi card, which is this. Connect it in, see a little slot, lining up from there. Just kind of put it in. Watch out for the cable right here. Make sure it goes in. You should know when it goes in, because then you can't really take it out. Like you feel it, like, oh, okay, it's in. Bam. It's ready to go. Now we get these screws. And we're gonna put them in the motherboard. I mean the top, where the Wi-Fi card is. I'm going to use two hands because I am very clumsy right now. Like I've been more clumsy before, but that's besides the fact. And don't be afraid if you see that thing's moving. It's just because it's not tightened. And there, it should kind of look like that. And you can add the wire you see there onto that little hole. See right there? Now you just want to kind of connect this onto here. Just like that. You should hear a click. For me doing it in one hand is kind of hard. But yeah, yep, you should hear a little click like that. Okay, now get the other cables and screws in. And you're almost done. I mean, to be honest, there's nothing else to do other than just screwing in some stuff, and that's it. Make sure you get all the screws in, just like that. See the screws right here and there that I took out from before? Those are it right there. And now you want to get these long ones and put them in the correct hole. Okay, that's very important. So one right here. One right here. It should have the number C, something to do with C. That's where you put these screws. Bam. And then there should be one more. And here's another one. And then next thing you want to do is kind of start screwing it down. And that will start lining up more of the other screws. See how I kind of just keep twisting. And you want to just keep twisting it down until you feel it go in. Bam. And also, see this front connector, how it had this kind of cable? You want to connect that to the front again. It's the same as the Wi-Fi card. You should hear a little click. Then on, ready to go. And then next step is actually getting the cover on. Getting the cover on is actually pretty simple as long as you follow these steps. So see those kind of honeycomb shapes right there? You want to take the front panel, you want to take this piece kind of off, and it'll make your life such easier. So you're gonna kind of like peel, keep peeling it off until you gotta start wheeling it. There, one's off. But make sure you don't pull it back too much that you actually break it, because no one wants a broken front panel. It's sort of coming off now. Oh, there's the one at the end. Yep. Coming off now. Gotta use two hands, my guys. Sorry. This thing's very doesn't want to budge, and there. So now I should be left with this kind of panel. Hope you can see that in the light. This kind of like panel going on right here. Then you want to do is put it on the front of the Xbox. And make sure you connect this kind of ribbon cable. Because you do not want the ribbon cable to not be connected. Because then you won't get that touch control with the Xbox. Unless you don't like it, then that's up to you. Then you kind of slot that on. As you saw, kind of slot it on. And push it back, bam, like that. And then the next thing to do is just to get the other stuff on it. Seems good. Not missing anything. Right here, guys. Almost forgot a screw. And let's get that front, this kind of panel on here. Now, with this panel, you can actually kind of like hydro dip it if you really want to, but I'm just gonna put it on. So kind of just lay it on. That should kind of like go together. Yep, just like that. You should hear clicking noises. And then let's see what the back side's kind of looking like. I think the panel on the back's messed up on mine. Yeah, it is. And there, it should make a clicking sound. Everything should be together. Kind of get a B-roll of it. Let's get the in and out. Okay, then, oops. Then right here, you want to slide this piece in, so. Like that. And then get this panel back on, just like this. And there, your Xbox is reassembled. Oof, hefty console. Get the footage of it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below in the comment section what other video ideas I should do. Anyway, peace out, guys.